When it comes to ensuring the safety and compliance of a building, hiring a professional building surveyor is crucial. In the city of Jawhar, Noida, there are several reputable building surveyors who specialize in conducting thorough inspections and assessments of various structures. These building surveyors play a vital role in ensuring that buildings are constructed and maintained in accordance with the relevant regulations and standards. With their expertise and knowledge, they can identify potential issues and recommend suitable solutions to ensure the structural integrity and safety of the building. One of the top building surveyors in Jawhar, Noida, is Skan Design. With their extensive experience in the industry, they offer comprehensive building surveying services to clients in the area. Skan Design is known for their professionalism and attention to detail, making them a trusted choice for both residential and commercial projects. Their team of highly skilled and qualified surveyors conduct detailed inspections of buildings, identifying any structural weaknesses, defects, or non-compliance issues. They provide accurate reports that outline the findings from the survey, along with recommendations for necessary repairs or improvements. Hiring a building surveyor like Skan Design in Jawhar, Noida can bring numerous benefits to property owners and developers. Firstly, their expertise can help prevent potential safety hazards by identifying any structural weaknesses or issues that may compromise the integrity of the building. Additionally, a building surveyor can also assist in ensuring that all construction works are carried out in compliance with the relevant building codes and regulations. Whether you are buying or selling a property, having an independent assessment from a reputable surveyor can provide peace of mind and ensure that you are aware of any potential issues or liabilities associated with the building. Hiring a qualified building surveyor is essential if you want to make sure that a structure is safe and compliant. There are several professional building surveyors in Jawhar, Noida who specialize in performing in-depth examinations and evaluations of various structures. These building surveyors are essential in making sure that structures are built and maintained in conformity with the necessary laws and guidelines. With their experience and understanding, they can spot possible problems and suggest workable solutions to maintain the building's structural integrity and safety. Hiring a qualified building surveyor is essential when assuring the safety and compliance of a building. The city of Jawhar, Noida is home to a number of reputable building surveyors who specialize in performing in-depth examinations and evaluations of various structures. These building surveyors are essential in ensuring that structures are built and maintained in conformity with the applicable laws and standards. They can recognize possible problems and provide appropriate remedies using their experience and knowledge to maintain the building's structural integrity and safety. Skan Design is a leading building surveyor in Jawhar, Noida. With years of business experience, they provide clients in the area with thorough building surveying services. The renowned designs of Skan